In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting using Outlook. Whether you're a busy professional coordinating with colleagues or a student organizing a group project, mastering the integration between Outlook and Teams can save you valuable time and effort. So, let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, ensure that you have Outlook open on your desktop. You might have your calendar displayed, so we'll begin from there. The Outlook calendar is a powerful tool that helps keep your schedule organized and can seamlessly integrate with Microsoft Teams. Once you're looking at your calendar, look for the New Teams Meeting button. This button is typically located in the toolbar above your calendar view. Clicking on this will open a new meeting invitation window tailored for Teams. This feature allows you to seamlessly bring together people from within and outside your organization in a virtual meeting space. Now that you've clicked on New Teams Meeting, you'll notice that a meeting invitation form appears. Here's your chance to customize the meeting details. Start by giving your meeting a subject. A clear descriptive title will help your invitees understand the purpose of the meeting at a glance. Next, select the start and end time for the meeting. It's a good idea to be considerate about your participants' time zones when scheduling this. Outlook often helps with this by indicating what the time will be in other locations if you're adding guests from different regions. In the provided body space, you can add any relevant agenda points, notes, or expectations you have for the meeting. This ensures everyone is prepared and knows what to expect. Your invitation is coming together nicely, but it wouldn't be complete without inviting those who need to attend. To do this, look for the To field at the top of the meeting invitation window. Here, you'll input the email addresses of your intended participants. If they're within your organization, Outlook often suggests people based on your previous meetings or correspondences. This can make inviting your team a breeze. Before you send it off, double check that all the details are correct. Verify the meeting title, times, and participant list. This will help avoid any confusion or last-minute changes. Now, with everything in place, you're ready to send your invitation. Hit the send button, and like magic, Outlook will deliver your meeting details to your guests, along with a Teams link to join the meeting. You've now successfully scheduled a Teams meeting using Outlook. This method not only increases your productivity, but ensures that all your meetings are set up with little hassle. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your workday even more efficient.